to my channel. My name is Jayla Mitchell, also known as NaturalReign, and if you're new here, I need you to do two things. The first is subscribe down below and then click the notification bell so you don't miss my new upload. So today I am here with a very special guest,
Kia Carey Moo.
And y'all, she has a channel too, and we're actually going to be doing a collab, so I'm also going to be on her channel. So if you want to check out her channel, go ahead and click on the link in the description box. So today I'm gonna be doing her hair, her short, type 4. What's so funny?
Nothing. I'm just saying, like, I don't let people do my hair. So
this is.
But I trust Jalen because you know she has hair and she knows how to do natural hair and stuff. But still, it's just different.
It's different. And to be honest with you, I really don't be doing other people's natural hair, but I thought you guys would find this interesting because she is low porosity, she is type 4, and her hair is shorter. So if you guys want to see me style something that I don't have, we can do that because my hair is high porosity and it's color treated. Her hair is virgin hair and low porosity. So me and low porosity hair, we be beefing sometimes, but I'm really hoping at this time it comes through. So I'm just gonna go ahead and section her hair off. Y'all, I'm at a disadvantage because I am short. So you see, she's up here, I'm down here.
And good luck.
But I'm gonna try to make it work.
Good luck sectioning it, because once this stuff is dry, baby.
It's not dry yet.
It's dry.
It's not dry yet.
Good, because
still kind of wet.
I just spent all this work detangling it. It took hours.
Oh gosh. It did. I witnessed it and I was like, she's still on it.
Yeah.
She's still working.
But you saw, like, my hair is very tangled.
Look at the little ponytail. Look at the little ponytail. Okay, man. Hey, man, say, man. There's that tangle.
Okay, so you're witnessing it.
I mean, it's not that I didn't believe you. I feel like you know what you gotta do for your hair, you know?
Yeah, like, my hair is super tangly. And it's just like, I don't know what it is about my hair that makes it like that, but I could spend all this time detangling my hair and it's like still not ever fully detangled. Like, and I take my time, like Jalen saw, like I split it into small sections, take my time and try to like detangle it.
And I don't have the patience, to be honest with you. I split my hair down the middle and I just go for it, you know?
Yeah.
So she has low porosity hair, so this water bottle has warm water in it just because it opens the cuticles for the hair, so it can go ahead and accept the product because your hair be wanting to fight me.
You want to fight me.
So I'm just gonna spray it down. Whoa, spray it down. Okay, so the first product I'm gonna be going in with is actually the Kinky Curly Not Today. I'm a Kinky Curly Not Today so y'all can see that. But I actually mixed it with some water just because Kinky Curly is really potent and you really don't need that much. Just mix it with some water, maybe about, not even half and half. There's way more water than Kinky Curly, so.
It's very like, it has a lot of slip.
A lot. More than you need, and it's expensive, so save a coin. Save a coin. Y'all, I finger detangle, but I just need to make sure these ends, because like the key to a good wash and go is these ends need to be together.
But honestly though, if you want to, you can probably do it without using the comb because I don't think it'll look the same. Like, even though it might feel kind of tangly when I do my wash and goes, I do it like on my hair like this because that's how my hair is. And then when I put the comb in it, the curls are not the same.
Okay.
Like, they don't clump together the same way. So just try it. So just try it, and then if you want to use the comb, then
we'll see.
Yeah.
Okay. So we're gonna try to tough it out here, y'all. So this is just with the Kinky Curly Knot Today. I'm gonna put a little more.
And that's the thing, like, it feels dry, doesn't it? Like,
it's not bad.
It feels.
I think it's the ends, like
it feels dry and it's like tangly. That's where it tangles up at the ends.
Y'all, I never did anybody else's hair until I was a full-grown adult. I just need y'all to know that. Full-grown adult. Okay. So the next thing I'm going to go in with is the 24 karat glistening gold twisting gel by The Main Choice. But I mean, I ain't using it as a twisting gel. I'm using it, you know, for a wash and go. But it's pretty great. Oh, I played myself because my hands are super wet. It's fine. That ain't no problem. I'm
Ain't no problem.
I'm gonna use the towel. That always works.
I love the Main Choice. Their products are bomb. I've never tried this before, so I'm very excited. My expectations are high. So.
Oh man. I don't know, man.
I want to see.
It's just like it's
hey, yeah, no, you're not even making a dent, I don't think.
A dent? I'm not making a dent?
Like as far as like defining it, I can't fully see. Okay, this feels defined.
I was like, it's definitely
This
defined
feels
in the
defined,
back.
yeah. But
Definitely.
that's the easy part.
Oh gosh.
That's the one you don't have to work for.
What do you do with the rest of it?
Are you willing to work for it? That's the question.
What do I have to do?
Like, what do I have to do, Kia?
Like, okay, I think not bad.
I felt that. I felt the snapback.
Okay, that's a good sign.
I
right?
felt that.
Please
I
tell me
did.
that's a good sign.
It's a good sign.
Okay,
I felt that.
good. This is also a learning lesson for me, guys.
Yeah, because what if you have a kid that has like hair like mine?
Yeah, I got them or whatever. They gonna be just fine.
That's one thing, like parenting, you have to do a lot. Like even doing your kids' hair, like your kids' hair is probably not even only the same as yours. You got to figure out what works for their hair and stuff like that.
Mm-hmm.
Shout out to moms and dads because like
They be making it happen.
they be making it shape. How would you describe my hair?
The products take a really long time to sink in. So right now, I put a lot of product in there, but it's just sitting there. Like it's sitting there. It dries up eventually, like the ones in the back, but the product just sits on top. Not used to that. Not at all. Mine just
Not me.
soaks it right up.
Not today.
Let me
Alright.
see. Let me see.
Well, yeah, you're doing something.
Thank you.
I think you're doing pretty good.
Thank you. Not terrible.
No, you're doing pretty good. It's just like when I do mine, it'll be probably more like slick, if that makes sense. I don't know how to describe it.
Like less froey.
Yes.
the
Like
best
it
way to
won't be
explain it.
like it's more froey right now, which is cute because I feel like
It'll be a fro.
it'll be more stretched
Okay.
automatically.
Mhm.
But like this, like my roots will be way more slick than this.
How?
Like it's already
How?
like it's already like in the shape of how it would look when it's drying versus like when I would do it, like it would literally be like more hanging.
How?
Okay, let me see. Is this the section that you were working with?
No, this is the last section that's not done. That's the
Okay.
last section. This is interesting. It's interesting to watch. After I've got a lesson, let's see what happens. This is not a laughing matter, man.
It is, but no,
Not.
it looks good.
Yeah.
Like how
It just
you're-
looks different.
It just looks
Her
different.
hair looks like how it would look if I did my hair.
Exactly.
That's how I do my hair. Like I just
Exactly.
let it.
Because
I like
how
this.
you do your hair, you have room for it to have volume. And then for me, I don't know, because probably once my hair gets to your length, I would do it like that. But since my hair is like so short,
You want it to be defined
it
all the way down.
all the way down.
Yeah. See, for me,
It
like
looks better that way.
I let it do its thing. Also, I learned that people have puffy roots. My hair is not puffy at the roots. It's the same all the way down. Same texture, same everything. You don't have to do
Yeah.
anything extra to the roots. In fact, most of the time I don't even get my roots because I really don't need to. But then I learned when I did other people's hair, like, oh, You gotta get the roots.
Well, I think it's because your hair is longer and it's heavier.
It just
so
pulls.
that's the reason why. So that's why you think it's not, but it's just because your hair is longer than ours. So
it changes it changes a lot.
So it changes how you have to style it. So like that's what I'm saying. Like once my hair gets that long and it's already gonna be like, you know, defined enough where I don't have to do the roots, because if you don't get my roots, that's like half the length of my hair.
Yeah,
I
mean with mine it's just like as long as you see like the curls at the bottom,
Exactly.
then it looks good.
Right, but if you don't see the curls from, you know, then it'll. But yeah, but it still looks cute.
Okay.
I like this combo.
Okay guys, so this is what Kia's hair is looking like, completely done. It's not dry yet, but we're gonna try to make sure it dries, but she wants to air dry, so we're gonna let her do that. I don't know how long it's gonna take.
I don't know how long it's gonna take either, but it usually takes a minute, and it's like 4 o'clock right now. So
we're gonna give it a try though.
It might not.
But yes, this is what it looks like wet. Look at the curls, it should pop it. Look at the curl, look at the curlies. Okay, so I'm gonna come back and we're gonna come back and show you what it looks like when it's done and hopefully dry, maybe? Okay. Okay, we're back. And Kia's hair is like mostly dry.
Mostly dry.
Mostly dry. I'd say about 90. Give it 90, 85.
Probably a good 85.
It's about 85% dry. We just don't have all day to wait for it to dry.
Yes.
So yeah, so these are the results. Come a little closer, Kia. Come a little closer. Come a little closer. Come a little
I'm coming. I'm scooting. I'm up in the camera and you see it and you wanna be it. Ooh, you wanna touch it. You wanna feel it.
Yes. I think it turned out really cute. Y'all comment down below, let me know what you think. But I think this combo is really good for her low porosity hair. So if you have low porosity hair, I definitely recommend this combo because curls is popping.
And my hair smells really amazing.
It's that gel.
Amazing. It smells really good. Yeah, I like it. I like this combo. It's cute. Like once we got the right water to product ratio. We were doing something.
Yes.
We were doing some things.
Moving, shaking. Just know all hair is not created equal. High porosity hair and low porosity hair, totally different.
And that's okay. It's just all about
all beautiful.
Learning your own particular hair. Okay?
Period. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye y'all.